Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Civilization 6 on PS4. First, let's get you oriented with the controls. Use the left stick to move the camera and the right stick to zoom. Press X to select units or buildings and O to cancel. When starting a new game, you'll pick a civilization and leader, each with unique bonuses. Your first move is usually to found a city, ideally near fresh water and valuable resources, to kickstart your empire's growth. Once your city is established, focus on managing its production, food, and housing. These resources are crucial for growth and building new units or structures. Advancing through the science and civic trees unlocks new technologies and government policies, shaping your civilization's path. Don't forget diplomacy. Interacting with other leaders through trade, alliances, or even declarations of war is a key part of the game. Building strong relationships can be as powerful as a strong army. As your civilization grows, you'll want to expand your territory. Use settlers to found new cities, securing more resources and strategic locations. Military units are essential for defense and conquest. Learn about unit strengths and weaknesses, and use terrain to your advantage in combat. Civilization 6 offers several victory conditions, including science, culture, domination, and religious victories. Choose a path and strategically work towards it throughout your game. For more advanced play, consider optimizing your district placement for maximum adjacency bonuses. Effectively managing great people, like great scientists or artists, can provide significant boosts to your civilization. Remember, every game of Civilization 6 is unique, so be prepared to adapt your strategies based on your starting location, neighbors, and the challenges that arise. And hey, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.